I see my old piggy bank up there. It is a little bit dusty. Wow, it feels very heavy. I will sit at my desk now. Hear the loud rattle inside. I am ready to count my savings. I must open the stopper at the bottom. Oh. Ooh! Look at all the metal money. That is a big mess of coins. I need to sort them first. A penny is worth 1 cent. These silver ones are nickels. A nickel equals 5 pennies. A dime is worth 10 cents. These big ones are quarters. A quarter is 25 cents. Oh. Now the coins are in neat piles. It is time to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. This stack is 50 cents. Whew. That is $1 in nickels.
Counting dimes is very fast.
$20 dimes makes $2. Quarters are my favorite coin. 4 quarters equals 1 whole dollar. I have $10 in quarters. Wait, something is stuck inside. It is folded paper money. This dollar bill is very wrinkled. This is a $1 bill. Live dough ball, look! Look! A $5 bill! This paper is worth 5 coin dollars. I will use my calculator now. I press the button to turn it on. Plus 10, plus 5. Wow! That is a big number. I have $40. Oh, it feels good to save money. I need a safe place for this. Yes. The paper bills go in flat. The coins make a happy jingle sound. Hoo! How? I lock the box to keep it safe. I will hide it in my drawer. My desk is dirty from the old coins. I rub hard to remove the dirt. Now the wood is shiny again. The piggy bank is empty now. I will start saving again today. Clink! That is the first coin. Counting money is hard work. The water is boiling hot. The water turns brown quickly. This steam warms my face. I will relax on the sofa. This cushion is very soft. The tea tastes delicious. What should I buy with my savings? No, I will keep saving it.
Saving is a smart choice.
My eyes are getting heavy. I feel very peaceful now. Excuse me, that was a big yawn. Time for a short nap. Good night.